This is SMS Tech Desk NSX 4.x training program, a beginner to expert journey, which is designed for real production environments. We start with the foundation. So before touching NSX, we make sure basics are solid and networking fundamentals, switching and routing concepts, VLANs, virtual distributed switch, MTU, NTP, DNS, and most importantly, how ESX and vCenter fit into this picture. Once foundation is clear, then we move on to NSX Core Architecture. Here we explain NSX Manager transport zones, host and edge steps, and GNU overlay clearly. Only once without repetition. You will finally understand what NSX is doing internally, not just what buttons to click. Okay, and after that, we go into logical networking like segments, tier 1 gateways, distributed router, service router. Then we'll be discussing about ECMP and active standby concept in service router and how traffic moves inside the NSX fabric. Then we step into the real world edge and routing concepts like what is NSX edge node, BGP with physical routers, high availability with virtual IP, then north-south traffic, east-west traffic. This is where NSX connects to actual production. Okay, once the routing is clear, we move on to advanced services like NAT, load balancing, VPN, DHCP, DNS, metadata, metadata proxy, then inter VRF routing. Okay, all will be like based on real-time lab, just not theory. Okay, and also we'll explain some real scenarios that you'll face in the customer environments. Then comes the security, like we'll be covering distributed firewall, gateway firewall, intrusion detection system, intrusion prevention system, micro segmentation, multi-tenant design. Okay, multi-tenant design will just theoretical part. Then you will understand not only how to create rules, but why those rules are created in production. And finally, the most important part, operations and troubleshooting. Here we'll discuss about BGP issues, tunnel problems, trace flow, packet capture, logs, then command line interface, and few API commands. This is where engineers actually become experts because in real life, systems are already deployed. Your job is to do the run and maintenance, not just design them. This entire journey is covered in 2 months with hands-on lab for every topic. If your goal is not just certification but confidence to work on NSX 4.x in the production support, then this training is for you. For more details, you can contact me directly. My number is 9361913611. My email ID smstechdesk@gmail.com. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn and Telegram as well. So just go through the description to get my Telegram and LinkedIn ID. This is not just an NSX course. This is completely production focused NSX training.